Here's these little diverters that were in the bottom. Look at this. Just put this on here. And it's going to clean that off. Not that much elbow grease. See there? Look at that. There's no way you could have done that without using that ammonia. And even on these, this is the back side of the grills. And you could take, you got one of these, you could use this brush and see the end, how it's got a little curve on it right there. You could use that, you know, in between here first, and then take the brush on it a little bit before you take your scouring pad to it. This is the back side. You could spend, well, we could spend more time on that, but look at the front of this. Look how nice and clean that is. All from using that. And I might add, we use regular garbage sacks like leaf bags, and we double bagged it. We weren't sure if the ammonia was going to be strong enough to eat through the plastic bag. We used the sturdy plastic bags, the leaf bags. You don't want to use something too thin. You might have the ammonia leak out of it or just eat up the plastic, but I don't know, maybe it won't. The key is to make sure to be real careful when you load this stuff in the plastic bags. You don't want to puncture the bag, and then get it nice and tight on the seal. We just scrunched these up and then tied those. That's the key. And there was hardly any ammonia left in the bag when we got done. There's a little bit left in there, but not that much, because the fumes filled up the bag, and that's what cleans that. Okay? Just a few tips when you get ready to clean your barbecue grill. Well, what are we going to talk about next time? If you can see, this is a nice, beautiful stainless steel Weber barbecue grill. And I'll show you do's and don'ts on how to clean this bad boy, and also your stainless steel appliances in the house. Did you know there's a right and wrong way to do that? Right cleaners to use? Well, I'll talk about that next time. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.